What is up everyone, thank you for joining me on another video. These days, with everyone being stuck at home with limited income, you might be looking for a budget gaming headset that doesn't make you and your friend sound like a 2-pack a day 70-year-old smoker. Unless you're the smoker, then it's fine. So today I'll be doing another review. This time it will be the ultimate budget gaming headset. And so if you want to know how this super cheap headset goes up against a £100 plus headset and still wins, then keep watching and make sure to hit that like button. And if you really like this video, then subscribe. It's on your red button anyway, so press it now. Check this. Okay, so let's go on with this review. This headset, first of all, is amazing. The unboxing experience alone for this was so well done. Like compared to other some of the other headsets, I had like the Sony Gold headsets. This had no excess plastic inside and was packaged in a really beautiful leathery kind of pouch. In the box it comes with a few wires like a splitter, as this headset is compatible with PC, Xbox and PS4 and any device that has a 3.5mm jack like mobile phones. It has a detachable mic, which I love in a headset. It also comes with a detachable wire, which I think every company should do, no matter the price range. If EKSA can do it at this price range, so can they. Talking about the price range, this headset cost me only £30. Let that sink in for a moment. Am I comparing a £30 headset to a Sony Gold headset or others worth over £100? Yes. This headset normally goes for £45, but there is always vouchers and discounts happening on Amazon, so keep an eye out for it. Okay, enough about everything else. How is the actual headset like to wear, the aesthetics, how does it sound, and how does the mic sound for my friends and in a party? First of all, the comfort, I will say 9 out of 10. With such plush ear cups that is actually deep and plush, unlike the Sony headset, which is very misleading and only goes about 4 centimeters deep. It covers my whole ear, as you can see, and I did an 8-hour gaming session and didn't feel like it was getting uncomfortable or very hot, except for the summer, which I will talk about in a bit. I even wear headbands and glasses, but the ear cup molds around them so well that I don't even feel any pressure from them. One big downfall to this headset, which I just recently found out, was it does get hot, but only because it is very hot in London and we were going through a heat wave. I've had this headset for about 4 months now and never felt this before except for a heat wave, so which is rare in London as well, but not to the point where I don't want to wear them anymore. But it does make me take it off for a minute or two. The top bit of the headset that rests on my head is also very soft and has an adjustable metal frame. Okay, just listen to this. Metal. My Sony Gold headset had cheap plastic that broke on me after 8 months, and I had 2 of those headsets and both had the same problem. Like I said, it is metal and it's amazing. The feel and you can tell it's strong, very strong. However, one nitpick I have on the frame for adjustability part is that I have it on a scale where it fits my head nicely, and then I leave it overnight and then I come back the next day. Adjustability is somehow changed. I'm pretty sure I don't have any ghosts in my house messing with my headset. Hopefully not, but no, I think it's because it doesn't have like seams. It has very small seams to stop it from moving around too much. However, it is, you know, very slippery metal. However, this is a very minor thing for me, but I still had to mention it nonetheless. This might not even be a problem for you if you get one. The aesthetics. I will give the aesthetics an 8. I love the simple design of the black and red, and the way the wire is outside and gives it a little bit of pizzazz. However, I only gave it an 8 is because I would love to wear this outside. However, the EKSA logo is quite big and I'm more of a simplistic guy. I don't really want a big logo just telling everyone, yo, I'm wearing EKSA or whatever, blah blah blah. But again, this is just a nitpick for me. The mic arm is a standard mic arm and it is flexible. you can move it around wherever, but I feel like in 8 months it may sag a bit, but I've had this for 4 months now and I don't see any sagging. It's still as strong as it was day one, and I've used this a lot. It's just my assumption that it might sag, but bear in mind it hasn't sagged for me yet. Now for how it sounds, I will give it a 7 out of 10. My Sony Gold headset is a 9 out of 10 for how it sounds, but bear in mind that costs a lot more, and it does have, I think it does have a bigger driver, and it is accustomed to the PS4, so compatibility is better, hence it does sound better. However, it's not bad. Why is it a 7 out of 10? Because yes, it has great audio and surround sound, but the bass is a little too high. This is amazing for music, movies and story mode games, but sometimes it can get a little too much. I use it more for the PS4, and I've discovered that it has virtual 7.1 surround sound, and I can hear footsteps easily and the approximate direction. However, if you want to utilize a full surround sound drivers, you have to connect it to a PC to get pinpoint accuracy on footsteps, like for in Warzone or something. Best for PC. It is compatible for PC, but it would be nicer if the drivers were actually built for PS4 as well, to have virtual surround sound, which the Sony Gold headset does have. But one thing that really pissed me off about this headset, or more like not the headset, more like the marketing and the packaging, is it says 7.1 surround sound, and it has PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, PC, but the surround sound drivers work better for PC. It should have said that on the box or on the website or something, but it doesn't. That's the only thing that pisses me off. It does have virtual surround sound for PS4. You can hear the directions, like I said. However, it's not as good as it should be if you're going to be using a PC. As it was. I don't know. If they stated this somewhere big, I would have felt okay with it, and this wouldn't even be a problem. But the headset is still very good to listen to footsteps in games like Call of Duty Warzone and whatnot. But for the price range, a headset like this to have surround sound in the first place is amazing, so I'm not even complaining. Well, sort of complaining, but it's still amazing for the price. Next is the mic quality and how it sounds for my friends and how they hear me. So I did a little poll with my friends. Basically, I asked them, am I clearer than before when I had my other headset? They said 100% clearer. I'm like, whoa, for £30, that's good. So the mic on this is much better than my Sony headset again. That's mainly because it's got a an arm mic, so it can come to closer to my face. Whereas the Sony Gold headset, the mic is attached to the ear cup itself, so it is quite a bit further away. So the mic on this is better than my Sony Gold headset. I would have to rate this mic quality as 7 out of 10. Still a great score. And this is how it sounds on a PS4 party chat. Okay, this is how I would sound in a party, and this is how my friends would hear me in a random party. I hope this sounds good. I'm sure this sounds good. You tell me how it sounds in the comment section below, and give it a like. It should sound similar on a Xbox, on a PS5 or on a PC, and it even holds up against the Sony Gold headset, which already an amazing headset for the sound, but could improve on the quality of material, where EKSA used amazing quality metal frame headband where it won't break easily. Well, I hope I covered everything in this review. If there is something you would like to ask me about the headset or anything else, just drop it down in the comment section below. Finally, please hit that like button if this review helped your decision making in any way, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as more higher quality videos are on its way. Peace out.